This is again the problem of arrangement of different people on the board, on the seats of board. Now here the seats are more than the boys to be arranged. So here there are 6 boys who enter a boat with 8 seats, 4 on each side. In how many ways can they sit anywhere? 2 boys A and B sit on the port side and another boy W sit on the starboard side. So let's have a look at if the order matters here or not, and if the repetition is allowed or not. So we have to arrange them on the different seats. So order matters because there is the arrangement, and if we would look at the repetition, so one seat is for the one boy. So at a time, one boy cannot sit on 2 different places. So the repetition is not allowed here. So here we would use permutation. So there are 6 boys who enter a boat with 8 seats, 4 on each side. In how many ways can they sit anywhere? So here there is no restriction where to sit, how to sit. So there are 8 total seats in the boat, and we have 6 boys to arrange on these seats. So here the total seats are 8, and we have to arrange 6 boys on 8 seats. So here we have 8p6 different ways to arrange them. So it is 20,160 ways in which we can arrange these 6 boys on 8 seats of the boat. The next part is there are 6 boys who enter a boat with 8 seats, 4 on each side. In how many ways can 2 boys A and B sit on the port side and another boy W sit on the starboard side? So now here there is restrictions on some of the boys, that 2 boys A and B would sit on the port side and another boy W would sit on the starboard side, and rest of the boys can sit anywhere the remaining places. So 2 boys A and B sit on the port side and W sit on the starboard side, and rest of the boys would sit at the remaining places. So here we have 2 boys and they have to sit on the port side. So here there is 4 seats on each side, 4 seats on the port side and 4 seats on the starboard side. So the 2 boys A and B have to sit on the port side, and there are 4 seats. So the total 4 seats we have to arrange 2 boys. So it would be 4p 4 different ways. And then W have to sit on the starboard side, and there are 4 seats at the starboard side. So we have to arrange this one boy on 4 of the seats. So there are 4p1 different ways to sit on one of the 4 seats. And now the rest of the boys have to sit anywhere on the remaining seats. Well, now here at the rest of the seats, the rest of the boys have to be arranged. Now here we are left with 5 seats because the 3 boys A, B and W has already occupied their seats, and we are left with only 3 boys to arrange them on these seats. So here we have 5p 3 different ways to arrange these remaining 3 boys on these 3 seats. So let's take a product. So we have 2,880 ways to arrange these 6 boys on 8 seats for the given restrictions.